Sāmoan word for today is Taugōfie, and that comes from the word tau, which means cost, and ngōfie, which means it denotes like easy, right? Well, you put it together, Taugōfie is like an easy cost, meaning cheap. So like this mulch, I get it from our landfill, and it's $8 a yard. I mean, it's like you try to get this. I mean, it's not like the best mulch, but still, like 3 yards, a yard is like $8. That's how much like 2 bags is from Lowe's or something. So man, we've been doing this for a year now. I've gotten so much mulch. Maybe I'll show you guys at the house how much mulch we put down, but it's nice finding it Taugōfie, right? As opposed to taungata, which is price, and then ngata is like a suffix that means like hard to do. So you have ngōfie, like taugōfie means like a easy cost, right? For cheap, and then taungata, which means like a hard, a difficult cost, meaning like it's expensive. The other words are like ngōfie, which means like to do easily. So it's like this easy to do, or ngata, which is to do and then hard. So ngōfie and ngata, those are some suffixes that are just good to know. So man, I'll show you guys the house here in a second. It's funny because another one is I think it's funny, is mata ngōfie, and if you know mata means eyes, and then ngōfie is easy, and I just look at it as easy on the eyes. Mata ngōfie means like beautiful. So